Welcome to the assembly video of the Racer 2-in-1 manufactured by Toy Products. Main body, complete handle, front wheels with fork, movement wire, flute pipe, parental handle pipe, footrest, complete handrest with take, rear wheels, front mudguard, rear basket, seat with seat cover, front basket, blowing handle, hardware. Take the main body, insert axle pin into the wheel. Hinder the movement of axle pin using circlip as shown. Insert axle into the rear side of the frame as shown. Cover axle pin with axle cap. Insert front mudguard into fork as shown. Now insert fork into the front side of the frame as shown. Insert front basket into the fork as shown. After that, insert handle into the fork and secure it by tightening the knob. Place the seat into the main body as shown. Insert the flute pipe as shown. Insert the ring into the flute pipe, secure it by screw. Insert the rear and front side of the movement wire as shown. Insert the footrest and secure it with nut and bolt as shown. Insert the complete handrest into the main body, lock it with lock button. Secure blowing handle to the parental pipe using nut bolt. Insert the parental pipe into the flute pipe. Place the rear basket onto the rear side of the frame. Now this tricycle is ready for your baby to ride on.